Good afternoon. You join me, Jenny the camper, with rather black, dirty, scuffed hands. We are taking the gearbox out, which is that huge lump there, and changing the clutch. There's two types of clutch, so I wanted to take it out first, then I can choose it. I've taken all the bell housing bolts out the top, airbox off so it gives me a bit more room to see. Reversing light, switch cabling off. I've got to take off the concentric slave, but I'm doing that last because it's fluid. We are. Here's the gearbox. It's massive, great big, hulking great lump here. So I've got to take the hubs off, the drive shafts out, which I'm a third of the way through doing. ABS sensors are off. Bottom ball joints. Bolts are out, so I've just got to pop that out, then pop the top one out, pull that out of the way. Same that side with the drive shafts. Jack under, gearbox, lower it, take it out, take the clutch out, see which one it is, order one, clutch in, gearbox in, job done. I was quoted £850 to do this job. I wasn't going to give it to a garage to do, because you know I do all my jobs myself. I just wanted to see how much it would be. Well, for a Borg and Beck clutch, which are a good clutch kit, a 3-piece kit, it's £125. I've got to put some gearbox oil in it. It's probably about another 20 quid. And a bit of fluid. I'm going to change the brake fluid, which is the clutch and brake fluid. I'm going to change that as well. So about another 20 quid. So just under £200 I can do this for. And like I say, I was quoted about £850 to do this. I've been on it about 2 hours, and I'm well over halfway through getting it out. Loads of access, easy to get to. As you can see, I've got it on axle stands, so it's all safe. Yeah, so we are getting there slowly but surely. So once I've got a bit further and I've got the gearbox dropped out, I will get back to you. And there we have the hub off the driver's side and the drive shaft out now. Which, hello Boo, there he goes. He's going for a munch, get a bit of dinner. And there it was, gone. No hub, nowhere to put the wheel. So that's this side done. Now I've got to go over to the other side. Do the same over here. Take the hub off and all that out of there. And then a few more bolts around the bottom of the gearbox. Support the engine with one jack. Get the jack under the gearbox. Lever it off and lower it down. And so far it's taken me about 2.5 hours.